smell like you do. Get your pants.
Hello, hello. Ooh, crazy hair. Welcome back to Cleaning This Mess. Today, I got to do a few things to get ready to decorate our inside of our house for Christmas. The first thing on my list is painting this table white. Second thing on my list, ignore those clothes. You know I got clothes everywhere. If you watch any of my videos, always folded clothes from last night need to put up. Anyways, I need to take this down. I bought a tote. I've got some stuff already in it. I need another one to put the rest of the stuff in. I thought that one would be big enough, but it's not. So I need to get that taken down. And then, of course, the living room re-tidied up before I decorate. And then I need to get the decorations out of our laundry room. So let's get started painting this table and see how far we get today. So I got the first coat of paint on the table. The table's kind of a pain in the butt. It seems every time I paint it that it's coming up. I really think we should have sanded it first, but my husband said, no, it'll be okay, but it's proving that it might not be okay. You can't really see it on camera, but there's a few places, like right here, where the paint came up. Next thing on the list, taking this thingy down, because this is where our tree's gonna go. Alright, that area is clean. The next thing I'm going to do is take down this fall decor that I have on my tower that I made. And then I need to re-glue it because little kids ripped the top one off. And then we're going to get Christmas stuff out and start putting it up. Alright, so I got it re-glued on. And then I'm just going to show you a few things that I've got so far to go on this before we actually get into pulling out decorations. I bought these little balls. I have 10 of these. I'm going to do 4 white, 4 gold, 4 red. I'm going to take these off and spray paint these the red and gold color because they had some in red and gold, but they were the sparkly and I didn't want glitter everywhere. So I'm just going to place these on here for now, leaving the tags on until I get ready to do it. I just want to see how it looks and how many more of things that I need. Okay, so I'm going to do a little recap of what I got done today. Got this table painted. My princess down there. I got that little bookshelf taken down. I got this cleaned off and the garland. Is it called garland? I'm not sure what it's called. like the wreath. Anyways, I got this put up here. I need to get some decorations to put up there still. I got this, and I know it's uneven. Austin is 6'2", so he can make these even a lot better than I can, so I just put them up. And I gotta get a drop cord to go underneath there and hook to this one. Why are you lighting up? Look at my light, because I'm talking. I gotta go by the dollar store and get a drop cord to plug this up. But then I've got this one done too, and again, Austin will even these up for me. I still have stuff everywhere. Containers everywhere, getting the decorations put up. This video might end up and be in 2 parts, so if you see me in different clothes, know that it's because it's in 2 different parts.
Please subscribe on our website or our app.
Merry Christmas! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and we will see you in the next video.